Yeah.
Halo semuanya, bertemu lagi dengan saya Adil Si tutorial. Pada video tutorial saya kali ini, saya ingin memberikan tutorial bagaimana cara menggambar karakter di Android dengan sangat mudah. Kalian hanya membutuhkan dua bahan saja. Yang pertama yaitu adalah foto. Di sini aku akan menggunakan foto diriku yang sudah lama. Sebenarnya kalian bisa menggantinya dengan foto gambar yang sudah kalian gambar di buku. Lalu kalian foto saja dan kalian masukkan ke aplikasinya. Kalian sebenarnya bisa untuk menggunakan cara itu. Tapi di sini aku karena aku tidak bisa menggambar, jadi aku di sini menggunakan foto diriku saja untuk sebagai skemanya. Dan yang kedua yaitu adalah di sini aku menggunakan aplikasi penggambarnya yaitu adalah IP. Di sini kalian dapat mendownloadnya di Play Store dengan gratis ya. Tapi sebelum video ini dimulai, jangan lupa ya untuk klik tombol like-nya jika kalian suka pada video aku kali ini. Dan jika kalian ingin berlangganan dengan channel aku, jangan lupa ya untuk aktifkan tombol subscribe-nya dan aktifkan juga tombol lonceng notifikasinya agar kalian mendapatkan notifikasi dari channel aku yang mungkin bermanfaat buat kalian. Dan jangan lupa ya untuk di-share ke teman-teman kalian, ke sosial media kalian, agar channel ini jauh lebih berkembang lagi. Dan jangan lupa ya untuk follow Instagram aku yaitu Adil Si tutorial. Oke, kalau begitu langsung saja kita ke tutorialnya.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring, make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay caught us off guard. But there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard to you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard to you, but I'm coming home to you.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, the gravity pulls you straight down.
Nah, maka hasilnya seperti ini ya teman-teman. Oke, jika kalian suka pada video aku kali ini, jangan lupa ya untuk tinggalkan like-nya. Dan jika menurut kalian videonya bermanfaat, jangan lupa ya untuk di-share ke sosial media kalian. Dan jika kalian ingin berlangganan dengan channel aku, jangan lupa ya untuk aktifkan tombol subscribe-nya dan aktifkan juga tombol lonceng notifikasinya agar kalian mendapatkan notifikasi dari channel aku. Oke, dan sampai jumpa di video tutorial lainnya yang mungkin bermanfaat buat kalian. Dah, terima kasih.